Good morning. So we are in the Pond Wilderness. We had a wonderful stay last night at this amazing campsite right by the river, and we got started this morning nice and early, and right away we are literally going down, like, this is going straight down behind me, a rock scramble to get to that waterfall over there. So Chris is already way at the bottom. My knees are still waking up this morning, so, but boy, that's a gorgeous waterfall. I can't wait to get down there. This is interesting section. The trail literally skirts right around this rock here. You can see Chris. I don't know how I'm gonna get over there. Oh, this will be fun. Such beautiful hiking in this section of the trail. Loving it. It's so lush and green, and we're following this river. And the trail is flat, which is, you know, a nice treat, even though I know it won't last, but that's okay. But it's just gorgeous in here. The terrain is so different from being up higher in the elevation of the mountains. You could feel the humidity too, and but it's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I put my trekking pole down, and there was a snake next to me. Don't know what kind of snake that is, but he's not going away, so I will go away. Well, we just came down from hiking up and over Pond Mountain. It was a really beautiful hike. However, there wasn't any views, so I feel like I kind of got gypped out of like a really tough climb. But anyways, it was very pretty nevertheless. We are now heading down to a road, and my son says that Boots Off Hostel is over here. So I think we're going to see if we can head over there and get some possible refreshments and then continue on. Well, we just left Boots Off Hostel. Thank you to my daughter for sending me this very nifty sun hat I will be wearing now as I'm starting to think about the fact that I'm outside every single day and the sun is beating on me, and I do not need any more wrinkles than I already have. In any case, we just left Boostoff Hostel and are now on this absolutely gorgeous lake. Very, very beautiful, crystal clear water. I'll have to put the name of the lake in the video later because I do not know it at the moment. So we are just getting back on trail right now. Well, we are coming up on a dam that we are getting ready to cross. The Wilbur Dam, I assume, because this is Wilbur Dam Road. There's the lake. Oh, beautiful. It looks like a quarry. Looks like a quarry. That's why they dammed it. Huh. So we just left this gap by the lake where a Baptist church was doing trail magic. Shout out to Ben and everyone that was there. They had this amazing, just huge setup with like 3 tents. They were barbecuing food. They had pizza delivered. They had cakes that people made from the church. They had supplies. It was unbelievable. Drinks, anything that we wanted. So we stayed there for quite a little while today. It was slightly unexpected, but it's really actually hot today. And we were coming around the lake and there wasn't any water sources, so it couldn't have been timed better because all the hikers that were stopping were completely thirsty and appreciative for all of the refreshments that were there. So, but there's no breeze at all, and my weather says it's 73 in the area, but it feels like it's 80, super humid. So it's just not a very pleasant day of hiking today right now because it's just so hot and we're just flying through water and there really isn't much of it. It's interesting because we're like hiking around this lake, so we're staring at the water, but there isn't a lot of water to actually drink on trail. So, but not complaining because it's never perfect, but just a little more uncomfortable today. Aw, they're sweet little heart leaves on the ground. They're all in the shape of a heart. Everywhere. The little shapes of hearts. The lady slippers.
Oh, they're everywhere here.
More beautiful flowers on the trail. Oh, beautiful view of the lake from up here. We're high up now.